In a quiet first week of the year, you might be wondering what there is to know about Bitcoin, as the price has just passed a notable round number, $1,000. Happily, most questions about the technological curiosity can be answered with another easy-to-remember figure, 0. For instance, the Bank of International Settlements estimates the amount traded daily for the world's 180 or so recognised currencies. Last year, this ranged from $4.4 trillion, $4, down to $1 billion worth for the 37th most actively traded, the Bulgarian lev. In this context, the sum of Bitcoin transactions rounds down to 0. Another measure might be the collective value of Bitcoins. That stood at about $16 billion on Tuesday. Now, currencies aren't normally discussed in terms of their overall worth. They're supposed to be mediums of exchange rather than some absolute store of value. Still, for context, the Central Intelligence Agency puts the planet's stock of money, its notes, coins and bank accounts, at $82 trillion. On the CIA figures, the value of Bitcoins hashed into existence is similar to the broad money total for Uzbekistani soms. Now, with apologies to Tash Kent, the value of soms and Bitcoins, and the number of people for whom they are relevant pieces of information, well, they both round to 0 as well. Now, treat Bitcoins as an investment, and they are only worth as much as the Cerner Corporation. That's a US company of moderate size and limited profile involved in the management of digital healthcare records. Except treating Bitcoin as an investment, well, that means it can't be a currency, and vice versa. The problem is that a medium of exchange prone to collapsing or quadrupling in price, well, it's useless as a practical currency. In fact, Bitcoin has all the hallmarks of a pyramid scheme. It requires a constant influx of converts to push up the price, based on the promise of its use by more converts in the future. So the ultimate value for Bitcoin, well, that will be the same as all pyramid schemes, 0.